Hey fellas, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not just drawing a character, I'm drawing my wife Ram. Yeah, yes, my beloved Ram. The one who makes my heart race every time I see her, even in my imagination. So let's begin the coloring. And for those who you still ask, who is Ram? Well, you already know she's mine and that's all matter. Let's begin coloring now. Alright, let's start the coloring the skin. I'm skipping the sketch and line art because honestly, you guys already know how she looks in my heart. Every stroke here is a little love letter to her. Look at that blush, that softness. Ah, she's just so cute. Even when she's staring at me like I know what you're thinking. And don't even think about making fun of her again. You little jokers. Remember, she's my wife and I'm the only one allowed to tease her like well.
할 거면 제대로 해 시키를 쓰니까 내 노래비 double double rappers 쌤이야 오야 오야 이제 나 18 근데 벌써 이 배만 오야 오야 I'm on the stride feel like nobody I need someone in the beef in the morning I don't go back so I guess a Bugatti You know what I do you're the 여기서 party 후야 실이 아닌데 나는 한국에서 몇 샷 후야 노래하다 쉽게 가묻혔어 지금 몇 샷 후야 재미없어 전부 다 거저 이게 몇 샷
Now time to add the delicate color on her skin, the skin color. In order to blend all the shades I have added on her skin, I'm using a light skin. Here a little bit need to add a pink because she's so soft.
You don't know where I've been, what's going on inside, where the monsters like to come alive, come alive. Do you really wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide.
Well, the skin is done now. The hair, her hair. I could spend hours here. See how the light hits her strands. That the part that makes me go wow. Cute, soft, and yet when she look at me with that confidence commanding gaze, this is the Ram I love. Soft, teasing, yet breathtaking in every look. Damn.
Haunted house, a haunted, haunted house. If you're too scared, get out. A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. Broken windows and a warning scribbled on my wall saying that you better turn around. Wouldn't be the first to try to burn me down. You're blue, you too. Would you love me at my worst till the coffin's in the dirt?
And now her outfit, the clothes are fun, not fun to do because they have all these tiny details, but really it's not just the design I'm focused on, it's her. I mean, of course. Every color, every shadow, every little highlight, well, it's all about showing the love I feel for her, the way she moves through my mind every single day. You may think I'm crazy, think what you think. And for those who still joke, who is Ram? You know, I might just draw you in the next drawing as our child. Yes, your mother is Ram and I'm your father. Well, so try it carefully, little jokers. Love can be scary sometimes.
Haunted house, oh, could you love me now? A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just thinking a haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. My words till the coffins in the third. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion.
Let's go. I'm in the whip with authority.
So that's it, everyone. My first drawing of 2026. My commitment, don't do it. My lovely wife, Ram. I hope you feel the love I put into every stroke, every shade, every little detail, and remember, she's mine always. If you like watching me pouring my heart into her, make sure to like, subscribe, and maybe comment something nice about my wife, okay? And don't be one of those jokers asking who is Ram. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a good year.